Hey there! Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, I'm excited to take you on a weight loss journey with the help of some amazing ginger recipes. Ginger has been known for its health benefits, and we'll explore how it can support our weight loss goals. So, let's jump right in. Before we get into the recipes, let's first understand why ginger is great for weight loss. You see, ginger contains a compound called gingerol, which can boost metabolism and help burn fat. It's also known to aid digestion, reduce appetite, and make you feel fuller. With all these benefits, ginger becomes a perfect companion on our weight loss journey. Now that we know why ginger is awesome, let's move on to our first recipe, ginger lemon water. To make ginger lemon water, you'll need a fresh ginger root, a lemon, and water. Start by grating about an inch of ginger into a glass. Squeeze the juice of half a lemon into the glass, and then pour in warm water. Give it a good mix, and voila! Your refreshing ginger lemon water is ready to be enjoyed. Drinking this every morning on an empty stomach can give your metabolism a boost and support your weight loss efforts. Now, let's move on to our second recipe, ginger-infused green tea. For ginger-infused green tea, you'll need green tea leaves, water, and ginger slices. Start by boiling water and adding a few slices of ginger. Let it simmer for a few minutes to infuse the flavor. Then, add green tea leaves and let it steep for a couple more minutes. Strain the tea into a cup, and there you have it, a refreshing and metabolism-boosting beverage that can support your weight loss journey. For our last recipe, we have a mouth-watering ginger chicken stir-fry. To make ginger chicken stir-fry, gather some chicken breast, fresh ginger, your favorite veggies, soy sauce, and garlic. Begin by marinating the chicken with soy sauce and grated ginger. In a pan, sauté minced garlic and sliced ginger to release their flavors. Add the marinated chicken and cook until it's done. Finally, toss in your choice of veggies and stir-fry until they're tender. This low-calorie and delicious dish is perfect for a healthy and satisfying meal. And there you have it, 3 fantastic ginger recipes to support your weight loss journey. Remember, incorporating ginger into your meals can offer various health benefits and make your weight loss journey more enjoyable. Thanks for joining us today on our weight loss journey with ginger recipes. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more healthy recipes, and let us know in the comments below if you try any of these recipes. Stay healthy, and see you in the next video.